If you're seeing water slowly leaking out of a sprinkler head, even though your system is turned off, you're not imagining things. Most of the time, a sprinkler head itself is not actually broken. I want to explain what really happens here because this is one of the most misunderstood homeowners deal with. And once you understand that situation and you have a better understanding, it's going to feel so much less stressful. We see this all the time in North Texas. Homeowners call thinking that they have to replace a sprinkler head, or sometimes they think they need to replace multiple heads. But in reality, the problem is actually happening somewhere else in the system. Let me walk you through how it looks. First thing is to understand that when your sprinkler system turns off, the water doesn't magically disappear. There's still pressure in the line, which allows sometimes water to find a way out. Think water like this. It's lazy. It's gonna take a path of least resistance. And if everything is sealed like it should, then the pressure stays put. But when something is not fully closed, then water slowly can sneak through. And it usually shows up at the lowest point of the yard, which is often a sprinkler head. This is the part where most homeowners get confused on. You see water at the end of the head, and it feels like it must be the sprinkler head that is the problem. But most of the time, the head is just where the water is escaping from, not where the issue starts. What usually happens here is that something that we call a weeping valve. All that means is that the valve that's supposed to shut that section off is just not closing all the way. Even though, it could be a tiny small, it will allow for water to flow out, and it will find its way out into a sprinkler head. That's why sometimes you noticed a sprinkler head that always stays wet all the time, or maybe water puddling in that area, or just dripping very small, and it just seems like it never wants to stop from that sprinkler head. The most common thing that we see that most homeowners do is they want to replace the sprinkler head. And I get it. It makes sense, right? Based on what you see. But replacing the sprinkler head usually doesn't fix this, because the head wasn't the root problem to begin with. Other times, some people ignore it, and it's just not, it's not simply so much water that you can see it. But that can actually turn into a bigger issue down the road. Some homeowners like to understand how their system works, but don't necessarily want to work on valves, and that's completely understandable. Valves control the water flow into those zones for your sprinkler system. When they don't close properly, it's not just about the valve, but also it's about protecting the rest of the system. Since that valve staying open, it can potentially stay open all the time. Whether you fix it yourself or have someone help you, the important part is knowing what you're actually dealing with. If you want someone to take a look and explain what's happening with your sprinkler system, that's what we do every day. No pressure, just clarity to just let you know what to do on your next steps. The next question most homeowners ask after this is, has been this running this entire time, and is it showing up on my water bill? In the next video, I'm going to show you how to tell a high water bill if it's coming from your sprinkler system or somewhere else, and how you can check it out without guessing.